Unraveling impulse buys. Bought it on a whim. Hello, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that pops up in everyday English conversations. Bought it on a whim. Understanding such phrases is not only about adding new words to your vocabulary but also about grasping the culture behind the language. Let's explore what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Bought it on a whim refers to making a purchase based on a sudden, spontaneous desire rather than careful thought or planning. When someone says they bought it on a whim, they're admitting that the purchase was impulsive, not necessarily needed, and driven by momentary feelings or desires. To fully appreciate the phrase, let's break it down. Bought. This is the past tense of buy, indicating that a purchase has been made. It refers to the item or service that was purchased. On a whim. This is a key part of the phrase, signifying an action taken spontaneously or impulsively, without much thought or planning. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. For example, I bought this dress on a whim. It was just too pretty to pass up, even though I don't really need it. He bought the car on a whim, even though he was supposed to be saving money. It's a way to express a moment of weakness or a lapse in judgment, often with a light-hearted tone. It can also convey a sense of freedom or fun, depending on the context. Understanding the cultural background behind impulse buying can add depth to your comprehension of this phrase. In many cultures, impulse buying is linked to consumerism and the availability of disposable income. However, saying you bought it on a whim can also carry a connotation of spontaneity and living in the moment, which are valued traits in many societies. We hope this exploration of the phrase, bought it on a whim, has shed light on its meaning, usage, and cultural significance. Phrases like this enrich your English learning experience by offering a glimpse into the mindset and values of English-speaking communities. Keep an eye out for opportunities to use this phrase in your conversations. And remember, learning English is not just about the words but also about the stories and cultures they convey. See you in the next video.